Yo, what up, YouTube? It's Trav again, back. First video of 2013. We're gonna jump right into this. We're gonna talk about Future. He sounds like a mix between like a ghost and a country singer. Like Future, I think he sings with the Halloween filter in his throat. Like he'd be a great Halloween sound effect. Anyways, Future. I don't wanna make a wrong impression. Like if you use a Future voice, it kind of sounds like weird, isn't he? Baby, bottle number 2 with some ketchup. Playoffs. I was watching San Francisco 49. As it sound, he just sounds like really weird. You turn on the light, I'm looking for. He sounds like somebody's choking him while he's trying to sing. Is it? Turn on the light, I'm looking for. Or heavily constipated. That's that. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. I'm the only person that thinks that that's what Future sounds like, but he does. Like, I'm hungry. I want some bacon, eggs, and ketchup. He's country ghost singer with the Halloween filter in his throat. All right, later.